Today, folks, I'm going to teach you how to draw a Easter bunny. Hey, what's up, folks? What's up? I'm Mr. Brown, and welcome to Sketchflix. On Sketchflix, we do all sorts of, art challenges, things of that sort. I don't know, dumb stuff. That doesn't matter! It's almost Easter, and so I figured, hey, let's do something for the kids. Let me teach you how to draw an Easter bunny, step by step. All right, let's get into it. Well, there you have it, folks. An Easter bunny for you. I figured, hey, you know, what the heck? I should do more seasonal kind of drawing. So I just whipped this up really fast for you kids. Should be pretty easy to draw. I don't know. It's alright, I guess. Everything's kind of wobbly, but there's no time. So if you like this and you want to see more things like this, please let me know. And leave a comment and a suggestion in the comment section for what I should draw next. Alright, folks. Happy Easter, and bye-bye. Oh man, this drawing was weird. Man, cutting it kind of close. Easter's like tomorrow. Teaching people how to draw a cute bunny is